In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Microsoft Outlook open links with Chrome instead of Edge. So let's dive right in and get started with this simple process. First things first, you'll want to open up your Google Chrome browser. Chrome will be our primary tool today, and it's important because it is the browser we want to use with Outlook. Once you've launched Chrome, head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. If you have this saved in your bookmarks, that's great, but if not, you can simply type the URL directly into the address bar. After the page loads, you'll want to sign in, so go right ahead and click on the Sign In button. Enter your login details on the sign in page. This will include your email and your password. Once everything is entered accurately, go ahead and click on Next. Now you should find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. The dashboard is where you manage all your emails, and it's where we'll take the next few steps in this process. Look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see an option to create a new email. Click on that to open a new message window. In the body of this new email, you can go ahead and type any word you'd like. This word is just a placeholder for us to practice with, so feel free to be as creative or as simple as you wish. Next, let's shift our focus to the top pane of the email window where you'll find the Insert option. Click on that, and from the options available, select Link. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to type the web URL that you want to insert into your email in the field provided. Once you're satisfied with your URL, click Save to store this link as part of your email draft. For demonstration purposes, let's give that link a click. When you click on it, you'll notice that it opens directly in Google Chrome rather than Microsoft Edge. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to ensure links from your Outlook emails open in Chrome instead of Edge. This setup can be particularly useful if you prefer the interface, speed, or extensions available in Chrome. By initiating this process within Chrome initially, we ensure that the system prioritizes Chrome for opening email links. If at any time you encounter changes, or if the links start defaulting to Edge again, simply repeat this process to reset your preferred browser. Thank you for watching, and now you can enjoy the seamless experience of using your preferred browser every time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your Outlook email experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Have a great day.